Hello friends, welcome to our channel How Tutorials in. Now today we will tell you how to achieve 4000 hours of views and 1000 subscribers in fastest way, as this is the new eligibility for your YouTube channel monetization. So as you might be knowing that YouTube has updated their policy of monetization. So you must have at least 4000 hours of views and minimum 1000 subscribers for being eligible for monetization. Otherwise, your already monetized channel will be demonetized. So for this, various channel will show you that some of the basic steps to increase your subscribers are like upload high quality videos, post your videos in a regular interval, check audience retention, read your analytics and act accordingly, make an YouTube intro and outro video, etc. and etc. These are okay, but considering last date to cross this limit is 20th February 2018. So we have to act fast and we have to take it seriously. So I have defragmented these things and divided into three major steps. But there is one problem, that this is not free. So you have to pay bucks on using these tips. So I will tell you step by step what you have to do. So first of all, the basic thing is that you should look professional. Your channel should look professional. So I will just show you. This is one of my old channel which I haven't updated from various long time. It is a 6-year-old channel. So here I am not a Photoshop addict or a good image editor. So what I have done is you should update your channel art and your channel icon so that it looks professional. So for doing that, you have to just click here and change your image of channel art, and by clicking here you can change your channel icon. But how to get this high quality channel icon and high quality channel art? So for doing that, if you are a good Photoshop editor, then definitely there is no problem. But if you are not, so you should consult a professional. So here I will show you a website, fiverr.com. It is just 5 means Fiverr from 5 means you can start a job, you can outsource your job from as minimum as $5. So I have just you can see here. Okay, I will show you one of my creation, that the channel art. You see, at minimum $10 I have created a good looking channel art and good looking icon. Here you can see that this is my icon and this is my channel art. So first of all, you need to upgrade your look of your channel. So this is part 1. Part 2 is install a good YouTube plugin. So first of all, I must tell you that this is allowed by YouTube and this is not illegal. So your channel will not be blocked. So be sure of that. I have discussed a lot about this. So what I will do is go to Chrome and add a plugin, TubeBuddy. So there is a pricing structure of this. You can see here Pro, Star and Legend. So you can see there, if you have less than 1000 subscribers, they are also giving a coupon code here. So you can get it by $4.5. But I will ask you to join this Star plan. There are tons of features. Here you can look. Here you can see available in Pro and Star. So you must for basic good features, you should opt for star. Here you can see this is most popular, so I have purchased this. So here you can see this is star license. So there are many features. One of the basic features I am going to tell you, which can help your channel to rise very frequently, and maybe even cross your 1000 subscriber limit within a stipulated 20 February 2018 date. So what is this basic feature? So just go to videos, okay, Creator Studio, go to your video manager, though already here are some basic things you can look here, but the thing where I am giving more priority is the options. You can see here there are several options. The special option is this copy cards and copy end screen. By this you can at bulk change the whole end screen and cards of your YouTube channel. Suppose you haven't started using your cards and end screens and annotations. Actually annotation has been superseded with this end screens and cards. So first of all you need to make a end screen or annotation. So this is very simple. Just go to the edit section and add elements at end of your video. You can see here at 1 minute 36 seconds this is my subscriber and the dynamic element based on your most recent upload. You can add this by add element here. So after adding this, you can just go to this and copy. Now you can see here option, there is a bulk copy end screen. Now you can select these three and you can hit continue to next step. Now what you can do is here you can see that I want to see a full list of all my videos. Now you can subscribe subscribe. Now you can copy this whole end screen and cards to all your videos. So at one go, at one click, you can bulk copy end screen to all of your videos. So here you can see continue. Here you can see my all of the videos, 100 videos I have uploaded. So I have already done this process, so I will skip that. So in this way you can use every viewer who are coming to your channel, so that they may opt to subscribe or they may opt to watch your another video. And you must be knowing that annotations was not mobile friendly, and more than 70% traffic of YouTube is coming from mobile. So YouTube has stopped the support for annotation and started end screen and cards. So you must be using end screen and cards by now, otherwise it will be too late. So number 3 step, this was the number 2 and number 3 step. So number 3 is the basic thing. This is what we call AdWords. You have to promote the video. You have to get 1000 subscribers as fast as possible. So what you have to do is you have to promote one of the video. Let me show this. So here is one of my video which I will show you how you can promote it. So just go to promote. And click here promote your video. Now you have to just choose a daily budget for it. So I am from India, so this is in Indian currency. So I will keep a daily target of 100, and I will select my audience. So I will select it worldwide or India. US, Canada. You can choose their interest. Okay, media and entertainment will go. So go to next step. So just here is a simple headline you have to give. So here you can see this how my ad will look like. So approximately I am going to get 100 to 200 views per day with 363 ad impressions, as you can see here on my daily budget of rupees 100. So I can select here in stream ad or in display ad. So I am selecting here in stream ad. So we will go to just next step. So just you have to sign in. So just create and launch campaign. So here you can see that it is under review. After it will be enabled, then my video ad will be showing on YouTube channels, and I can show you one of my first campaign which I started a few days back, and you can see the growth here. And in this way, if nothing is working, then this method can increase your views, your subscribers, and you will be able to monetize your video. So I think these are the basic 3 steps with which you can increase or be eligible for your videos being monetized by YouTube, and you do not suffer the punishment of what YouTube is going after changing their policy for monetization. So thanks for watching my video, and if you like this video, kindly subscribe and come for more. Thank you.